Meaning of historian.
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 Historian. A historian is a person who studies and writes about the past. They use a variety of sources, including primary documents, to gather information on significant events, people, and cultures. Historians strive to provide accurate and objective accounts of history as well as analyze and interpret these events in order to gain a deeper understanding of them. Through their work, historians help us better understand how the world has evolved over time and how we got to where we are today. They play a crucial role in preserving our history and ensuring that it is not forgotten.